Now, they usually have the magnetic things, but we moved and I don't know where mine is, so this works. And there you go. Oh, almost forgot. I usually eyeball it, but you're supposed to use this tool. You can also, if you're doing anything thick, you can take the air bubbles out like this, especially things like pumpkin and stuff like that. Measure it to make sure it's good, and then wipe the rim. Make sure there's no food on your rim, because then it won't make a proper seal. Good to go. I'm going to get another lid, just that one might have cooled down. And then you're going to do it till it's pretty tight. And then you're going to pop it in. Now I have my big jars going, so I'll just minus the time. But my big jars have 6 more minutes. And this one will go for 6 minutes, and then I'll start adding my other little jars in. We have 28 cups of blueberries whole before we smashed them. We actually cut the blueberries in half so that the jam would be less like stringy. And I will put the recipe in the comments below, but here's a quick screenshot of it if you want to look at it. 28 cups of whole blueberries and then cut in half. Half cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of water. I dissolved the Pomona's pectin in it. Well, I blended it actually. 5 teaspoons of Pomona's pectin, 5/8 teaspoons of pure monk fruit, 1 to 1.5 cup maple syrup, and then all the spices. So there you go. I hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, subscribe, and hit the notification button and like this video. Also, one more quick tip. Always have a kettle of water going, because you never know, oh, I forgot to mention, you never know if you're going to have enough water in here, because you start with, you know, maybe 2/3 full, and then you add the cans and the water goes up. Well, you need 1 inch to 2 inches above your jars so that it makes proper pressure so that the air will come out of your jars. So I've gotten, you know, I've done this a lot, so I've gotten the point where I make sure I have enough water, because sometimes you think you have enough and then the displacement doesn't work out to your advantage. So always have extra hot water ready to go just in case you need it, and we will see you later. Thanks.